Hello Shell, this is Sri from the Think Tank team, and today in our third video diary we're going to explain how our prototype works. Professor Veerbhadram, who has been the guiding light of Team Think Tank, is going to explain how the MASTech works. The MASTech, otherwise known as the Machine Automated Agrofield System, is the communication part of the entire project.
Working video, the demonstration. Now I send SMS command, type the message. For example, I type the message, menu messages, create message, type capital letter, motor on, MOTOR space on, motor on. I send this GSM mobile number. You connected one SIM card. This is the water pump. Now send the command, send. Whenever the command will be received, the pump will be on automatically. Now relay will be activated, the pump will be on. Now I type the message. Even though message also received automatically, the motor status, motor is on. Whenever I send the command is motor is on, so motor will be automatically on. The received message also we can receive. Motor is on. Now I type the message is motor off. Capital letter. Motor space O F motor off. Automatically water flow will be stopped. Now motor off. Even though I received the SMS, the message I received, motor is off.
This part is an addition to what Mr. Veerbhadram has shown. So basically these are two Arduino chips, and with respect to this Arduino chip we have one transceiver, one moisture sensor, and a solenoid valve connected to this. And so basically how this works is the moisture sensor will be stuck into the ground and it will be communicating whether it's dry or wet. And through this transceiver, it'll send the data to this Arduino, which is again connected to a computer. This is basically a centralized unit. And now this transceiver will receive whether the land is dry or wet. So now again, now let's say that the land is dry, it'll send a signal to the motor saying that the land is dry and water will be released from the motor. Now once the water is released from the motor, the solenoid valve will open at this particular spot and water will gush out onto the field. So this is one sensor unit. There will be many sensor units connected to this that will be relaying to this centralized Arduino, and only the part that requires water will be getting the water. So the sensor unit consists of two parts. First part is moisture sensor, and we've just shown you how it works. The second part is a fertility sensor, and the fertility sensor is being built in the lab as we've told you in video diary 2. The entire unit, which is consisting of both these parts, will be about ye height. Yes, I am a wizard. And also a football player.
Ah, my spleen! You jerk!
No animals were harmed in the making of this video.
Well, except for an old lady. But don't worry, she's fine. I hear she's getting her hip replaced anyways. This is how our automated field motor is going to work. Thank you. And Think Tank approves this message.
Doctor, call the doctor. Ow, ow. And don't forget the lawyer as well. We're gonna sue that jerk.